Hi friends, myself Ishwa and welcome to Civil Direction. In this video, I will explain you how to understand the area and how to make its conversion within them. We know that area is used to measure anything which has a surface, which may be plane or surface of a volume, which is formed by sides 3 or more than 3 sides. Let's see the concept of area measurement. This is 1 centimeter square. We know that its area is 1 square centimeter. And I will say this 1 square centimeter is equals to 100 square millimeter. Confused? Let's see how. We know well that 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. So divide the square two adjacent sides, each one into 10 divisions with 1 millimeter length each division. Now project them until it meets its opposite sides. Each square has 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter dimensions. So obviously its area is 1 square millimeter. Here, 1 square centimeter has total 100 number of squares. Since we have 100 squares here, it's clear that 1 square centimeter equals to 100 square millimeters. Now, the same concept, what we seen for how 1 square centimeter equals to 100 square millimeters is applicable for following equations. That is, 1 square kilometer area equals to 10 lakh square meters, 1 square meter area equals to 10,000 square centimeters, 1 square mile area equals to 1760 square yards, 1 square yard area equals to 9 square feet, and 1 square feet area equals to 144 square inch. Generally, we represent area in imperial system as square inch, square feet, square yard, and square mile, and in metric system as square millimeter, square centimeter, square meter, and square kilometer. I will say all of these area units are from one family. Now let's see how we can make conversions within this area family. Concept of area conversion. To understand this concept, you must know how to make length conversions. For that, click the link in the description for my previous video how to make length conversions within and between MKS and FES unit systems. Now, the concept is same as like length conversion, in addition with squaring the value. Squaring to convert length into area for area conversion. Here, some examples to understand area conversion in depth. Let's see the first conversion between square meters to square kilometer. For meters to kilometer conversion, we divide the meters with 1000 since 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. And sign is division because conversion is between small unit to big unit. To convert square meters to square kilometers, do the same thing as like in meters to kilometer conversion. In addition with squaring the value 1000 since it is area conversion. So divide 25 lakhs 50,000 square meters with 1000 square to convert square meters to square kilometers. After conversion, the area is 2.55 in square kilometers. Let's convert the square kilometers to square miles. For kilometer to mile conversion, we divide the kilometers with 1.60934. To convert square kilometer to square mile, do the same thing as like in kilometer to mile conversion. In addition with squaring the value 1.60934 since it is area conversion. So divide 2.55 square kilometers with 1.60934 square to convert square kilometers to square miles. After conversion, the area is 1.584 square miles. Finally, let's convert the square feet to square inches. For feet to inch conversion, we multiply feet with 12 since 1 feet equals 12 inches and sign is multiplication because conversion is between big unit to small unit. To convert square feet to square inches, do the same thing as like feet to inch conversion in addition with squaring the value 12 since it is area conversion. So multiply 1 with 12 square to convert square feet to square inches. After conversion, the area is 144 square inches.